Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Alina and I continue my exploration into Russian celebratory cuisine as New Year is coming really close. Today we're going to make a dish that can't be called traditionally and strictly Russian, but you will definitely find it on every second, if not first New Year dinner table as a main course. And of course, it has some typical Russian twists and taste profile. Let's get started. We're going to need very few ingredients for this very delicious dish. Some chicken thighs or legs, several potatoes, a couple of cloves of garlic, a bit of salt and pepper. And the preparation is very easy and takes very little time. And that's important on the day when you have so much stuff to do. Make sure your chicken is dry, otherwise use paper towel to take away eventual water residues from it. You'd better use fatty chicken. For example, this chicken is not fatty enough, but that's all I could find in the shop. Cut the garlic into slices. Season it with salt and pepper. And then slide garlic slices under chicken skin. Our chicken preparation is done. Now we only need to quarter our potatoes into medium pieces and place everything in the oven. So you can optionally grease the form with a bit of oil, but if your chicken is fattier than mine, you can skip this step. Now place the chicken and potato into the form. And I can see that I've exaggerated a bit with potato. My form is not as big as I thought it would be. Ideally, it's good if your potatoes and chicken only take one layer in the form. And then, optionally, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water and salt the potato. And the only thing we need to do now is to place it in the oven that I preheated a bit and roast it for an hour at 200 degrees Celsius. You don't need to cover it with anything, you don't need to mix it in the process, just leave it in peace and come back for it in about an hour. I mean, like by come back, I mean metaphorically, of course. Don't leave the house while you have something in the oven. It's a basic fire safety. What we're looking in the ready chicken is soft, juicy meat and crispy, almost translucent chicken skin crust. What a mouth-watering smell. I don't want to run ahead of myself, but I'll confess you that I ate 2 full portions of chicken when I was done. And it took me a lot of effort to save the rest for the next day. It's so delicious and tasty that I only want to cook my chicken this way from now on. And it's easy. An hour from the start, we can take the form out the oven and serve it. Can't wait to try it. This is my mom's recipe and I have never done it this way. Oh yes, it's the way it's supposed to be. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. And it tastes delicious. Based only on 3 seasonings: garlic, salt and black pepper. And what is your favorite chicken roast recipe? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe or leave me a comment, and stay tuned for more. From Russia with Food, Alina.